Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you. I actually have 4. They all came in today, but this one is coming from Bob and Joy Crosby, and I'm not sure who this is yet until we get into it. So let's just open this up real quick and see what we've got. I don't recognize the name, but look at this pretty card. Watercolor card. Oh, it's a memory dex. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, Curly. Dear Eileen, wishing a wonderful birthday. I hope you like my mem dex card. Crafty Hugs, Joy Crosby. Crafty Great Auntie Joy. Oh my goodness. What? Joy? Oh my goodness, girly, I'm so sorry. This just got here. So this is her beautiful memory dex card. Oh my gosh, let me get it out. Oh, she has her info in the back. Let me make sure I don't show all that. Oh my gosh, Joy. Look at what it says. It says you are beautiful inside and out. And she has gorgeous eyelash trim going around it, and she inked the edges, distressed it, and these butterflies pop up. This is a gorgeous memory dex card, girl. Oh yes, I love it. Are you kidding me? That is beautiful. Look at all of the detail. So pretty. She's got this gorgeous purple pearls, flat back pearls, and she has some Wink of Stella on her beautiful dress. Look at the coloring on her. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh my gosh. I wish I could color. I wish I could color like that. So much detail. Oh my goodness. This is Joy Crosby, and she's Crafty Great Auntie Joy on YouTube, and she is Mrs. Crosby Z94 on Instagram, and she is from Kaukauna, Wisconsin. WI, Wisconsin. Oh my gosh, I'm horrible. And her favorite colors are purple, pink, and mint green. Her style is anything prima. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? I love the butterfly details. And she inked the edges on the butterflies too, guys. So pretty. Thank you so much, Joy. She also shared with me some bling and some flat back pearls. One little runaway right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Joy. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Girly, I'm so sorry this came so late. I just got it today, so I do apologize. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry about that. But that's what it looks like. Let's get this all nice and pretty set up right here. I'm going to take a photo. Thank you all for watching. I will leave her links in the description box below. Please go check her out. Show her some crafty love. And thank you so much, Joy, for participating in my birthday challenge giveaway. I appreciate you, and I love your memory dex card. So I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.